Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I got my snowblower, and as you can see, the recoil broke. So there's two options you can do. You can do the rope, or you can go on Amazon and get a new recoil for like 20 bucks. So in this video, we're gonna swap this out. From what I can see, there's two bolts there, there's two bolts down below, and they're 10 mil. One more left, and then this should come off as such. Mine is a 10 horsepower, and I ordered one off Amazon. That was for 10 horsepower, and it's the exact same. Good match. So I'm just gonna go. Find out where he's gonna line on. And I know right there it's going to connect. So now I'm just going to get my nuts started. Just gotta tighten them up gently. There, done. So now it's installed. I just want to double check. Yep, it'll crank over, and there you have it. That is a 5-minute project. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you next one. Take care.